Hey guys, Sarah here. I didn't really film much of an intro. Sorry about that. I figured I'd do a little voiceover one because I kind of just jump right into it in the video. But to sum it up, I'm going to be cutting my hair and then I'm going to be bleaching it. Um, I want to say sorry about any framing issues or if there's any like mess in the background. I am by far not a professional YouTuber. So, sorry about that. And with that, let's get into the video. Hey guys. So today I'm going to be cutting my own hair. This is what I'm starting with. It's pretty long. I had it cut last year to my collarbone, pretty much exactly a year ago. So, I think it was it was around April last year. So, this is a year's worth of growth. That's quite a lot. And obviously it's probably longer in the back. But yeah. And when I had it cut, I had a side shave done. I might throw some pictures up of like what it looked like when it was freshly done because it was pretty cool. I had like all these cool colors in it too. Um, but yeah, this is what this looks like now. The last time I shaved that off was I did it myself in like August of last year, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. I'm gonna attempt to give myself a pixie cut kind of thing. Basically, I just want all of my hair to be the same length again. While I did love the side shave, I don't know. I just want short hair now, and I don't really want a side shave anymore. So I'm gonna attempt to give myself a pixie cut first, and then I'm going to be bleaching it with this stuff. This got to be enlightened. And I'm pretty sure this does, yeah, it says permanent lightener. So I think this is actual bleach, not just blonde hair dye. Sorry if my eye goes a little bit, stupid. I have a lazy eye. For those of you who don't know me personally, first of all, I know you're supposed to like straighten your hair. And I'm sorry if I'm not really looking at my phone because my mirror's in front of me right there, and then I got another one behind me. So I'm going to be looking in a mirror for most of the time while I'm trying to figure this out. I think I might do some braids first, and then like cut my hair off in the braids so it doesn't just like go everywhere. Does that make sense? I hope so. This is where I usually part it too, so I'm just going to keep it parted here for now until we get going with it more. Yeah, I think the braid thing is going to be the best bet, so I'm just going to do 2 sections probably. Try and keep them even. And this isn't my first time having short hair either. I've done it like several times in the past. The last time I did it, I had it like long on top. Not like long, it was still like boyishly short, and then like the sides, both sides and the back were shaven. If you know, what's her name? Is it Cassie? Cassie Cage from Mortal Kombat. It's kind of like that in the one game. That was my inspiration for it. Yeah, so let's do braids first, and then I'll get cutting. I'm a little bit nervous, not really, because my hair grows super fast anyways. So, yeah, I'm going to try and braid it like mostly to the side, because I know it probably doesn't matter because I'm doing a pixie cut anyways, but Brad Londo says you're not supposed to pull it forward. So, I'm not going to pull it forward. I'm going to try and keep it to the side as I do the braid. Alright, braid 1 done. And plus, with like springtime coming too, and all this stuff going on, I've been looking for a change. And yeah, and like I love having short hair just because of how convenient it is. Okay, so that's the braids done. Time to chop. After this, there won't be no turning back. I don't have hair cutting scissors, but I have sewing scissors, so they are still sharp. There we go. There's one. Ooh, I'm so excited. I told my friends that I'm thinking of cutting my own hair, and of course they're all like, "Oh no, no." But honestly, I don't really care. Like it's just hair. It's gonna grow back. Like probably in like 2 months, it'll be past my shoulders again, anyways. And if I fuck it up that bad, I'll just get it fixed once all this shit is over. Alright. So there's that. I already love it, even though it looks like ass. Okay, so I'm going to work on the front first, and then I'm going to do the back. And I also have some buzzers here to do some like sculpting or whatever if I need to. We'll see if it comes to that. I'm going to try and get it mostly on the floor and not my sink to make cleanup a little bit easier. And unfortunately, I also do not have a comb, so that kind of sucks, but you know, whatever. Okay. So I'm going to figure out what I want. Do I want? Yeah, I think I kind of want like, yeah, do that. I can't see. Yeah. Okay. And then start like here. I don't want to go too short. I've cut my own bangs plenty of times, so like this part I can kind of remember how to do. And I can't see anything right now with my hair in front of my face, so just I'm sorry if I'm not in frame. Yeah. Okay, we can go a little bit shorter than that. Okay, I think I'm gonna work on the back a little bit now, so I'm gonna turn around, I'm gonna look in that mirror and use this mirror to like see what's happening. So hopefully you guys will be able to see it. Oh yeah, it looks like you can. Okay, let's try and find a good position. I did have one. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna stand on my tippy toes. Okay. Do that. Yeah. I think I might need the buzzer. I think that's like this base part is what I'm gonna use the buzzer for mostly, but I'm gonna chop as much off with the scissors first as I can. I think I've done enough with the scissors now anyway. So time for the clippers. Ooh, Jesus. Okay. Hold it right. Cord situation going. Figured out, and spin it out. How's the back look, guys? I can't really see. I'm gonna have to watch the video back after. See how I fucked it up. Okay, I'm gonna take this off now. And I'm gonna do some sculpting. And this is very similar to how I used to do my boyfriend's beard. When he had one, I would like sculpt it for him like this. Very similar to this, just light touches on the hair, just getting little bits off at a time. Should help create some nice like choppiness too, some nice layering. I'm fucking sweating, man. Like, who knew cutting hair was so like labor intensive? Fuck. At least all this sweat would help protect from the bleach. Oh, I'm almost at my fucking limit for recording shit. Okay, we're gonna have to wrap this up. I'm gonna have to put this on my computer, cut it down, make it shorter. I only got like 3 minutes left of recording on my phone, so you know, I'll go transfer this to my computer, and then like we're basically done. I'm just putting on the finishing touches, and then I will record myself bleaching my hair. So I'm gonna cut this down, probably fast forward to the shit where I wasn't talking, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm bleaching it. I will post a couple of pictures of like what it looks like before I bleach it though. So yeah, thank you.